Are you tired of feeling stuck in a cycle of lack and limitation? Do you dream of transforming your life from rags to riches? Well, today we're going to show you exactly how to manifest abundance and master the powerful law of assumption. What if I told you that you have the power to create your own reality? That you can manifest anything you desire, including money and prosperity, by simply changing your assumptions? That you can go from rags to riches with the power of your imagination? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's the law of assumption, and it's one of the most powerful and practical secrets of the universe. The law of assumption states that whatever you assume to be true, with conviction and feeling, becomes your reality. You don't have to work hard, struggle, or compete for what you want. You just have to assume that you already have it, and act as if it were true. Manifesting money and prosperity begins with a shift in your mindset. You must believe that you are deserving of wealth and success. Embrace the belief that anything is possible for you, and let go of any doubts or self-limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Now, it's time to visualize your desired outcome. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living in the lap of luxury. See yourself surrounded by prosperity and financial freedom. Feel the emotions of joy and gratitude as if you're already experiencing the abundance you desire. Next, it's time to take inspired action. The law of assumption requires you to align your actions with your desired outcome. Take steps towards your goals every day, no matter how small they may seem. By consistently moving in the direction of your dreams, you'll attract the opportunities and resources needed to achieve them. Remember, the law of assumption is not about wishful thinking. It's about fully embodying the reality you desire. Act as if you already have the riches you seek. Dress the part, speak with confidence, and make choices that align with your abundant future. Release any negative energy or doubts that may arise along the way. Trust in the process and have faith that the universe is conspiring in your favor. As you detach from outcomes and surrender to the greater plan, you'll find that your manifestations come to fruition with ease and grace. Today, I would like to share with you the secrets of the law of assumption. The law of assumption states that whatever you assume to be true, with conviction and feeling, will become your reality. It doesn't matter what your current circumstances are, or what the facts of the world seem to be. All that matters is what you assume to be true in your mind and heart. This may sound too good to be true, or too simple to work. But it's not. It's based on the nature of consciousness and the power of imagination. You see, everything that exists in the physical world is a reflection of your inner state. Your thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and expectations shape your reality. And you can change them at any time. The key is to assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. This means that you act as if you already have what you want, and feel the emotions that would accompany it. You don't have to force it or fake it. You just have to relax and let it happen naturally. For example, if you want to attract more money and prosperity into your life, you have to assume that you are already wealthy and prosperous. You have to feel rich and grateful for all the money that flows into your life. You have to act as if money is easy to come by and spend freely. You have to avoid any thoughts or feelings of lack, scarcity, or worry. By doing this, you are aligning yourself with the vibration of money and prosperity and attracting more of it into your life. You are creating a new reality for yourself, based on your new assumption. This is not magic or wishful thinking. It's a scientific and spiritual process that works for anyone who applies it correctly and consistently. It's a way of living from the end result, rather than from the means. But how do you apply it correctly and consistently? How do you overcome the doubts and fears that may arise? How do you deal with the evidence of the senses that may contradict your assumption? That's where the teachings of Neville Goddard come in handy. Neville Goddard taught thousands of people how to use the law of assumption to create their desired reality. One of his most powerful techniques was a simple exercise that he taught his VIP students at the end of his lectures. It's a way of impressing your subconscious mind with your new assumption, and making it manifest in your physical world. Here's how it works. 1. Before going to sleep at night, relax your body and mind as much as possible. You can use any method that works for you, such as meditation, breathing exercises, or listening to soothing music. 2. When you are in a drowsy state, close your eyes and imagine a scene that implies the fulfillment of your desire. For example, if you want more money, you can imagine yourself holding a check with a large amount written on it, or counting a stack of cash, or receiving a promotion at work. 3. Make the scene as vivid and realistic as possible. Use all your senses to experience it fully. See what you would see, hear what you would hear, feel what you would feel. 4. Repeat the scene over and over again until you fall asleep. Don't let any other thoughts or images enter your mind. Focus only on your scene and its meaning. 5. The next morning, when you wake up, don't think about your desire or your scene. Go about your day as usual, without worrying about how or when it will manifest. 6. Repeat this process every night until your desire becomes a reality. That's it. That's all you have to do to master the law of assumption and create your own reality. Sounds simple enough, right? But don't underestimate its power. This exercise has helped countless people achieve their goals and dreams in all areas of life. But don't take my word for it. Try it for yourself and see what happens. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. You can manifest more money and prosperity into your life. All you have to do is assume it. So, are you ready to transform your life from rags to riches? Embrace the law of assumption, shift your mindset, visualize your desired outcome, take inspired action, and trust in the process. You hold the power to manifest money and prosperity and create a life of wealth and success. Ready to discover the coolest secrets about the law of assumption? Hit up the video in the description and catch the hidden gems waiting for you at the end of this ride. Trust me, you won't want to miss this mind-bending exploration. So, what are you waiting for? Click that video link and let's dive into the good stuff together. So if you are ready to learn how to use your imagination to create the life you want, stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And remember, you are not living in a material world. You are living in a world of imagination. If you want to learn more about how to use these tools effectively, check out my manifestingreality.com website where you can find more tips, stories, resources, and products that will help you create your dream reality. If you're keen to delve deeper, consider joining the free course, Hack Your Subconscious Mind with Switchwords, and connecting with a community of like-minded individuals on our free Facebook group Switchwords Miracles and Reality Creation. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe for more empowering insights. Stay tuned for more empowering content that empowers you to unlock your fullest potential and create the life of your dreams. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are the creator of your own reality. You can shift to any reality you want. You just need to reprogram your subconscious mind. I would love to hear from you and support you on your journey. Until next time, happy shifting.